Okay, this is my Zippo Lighter review. As you can see here, I got 2 Zippos. Basically, it's my new lighter. I use it whenever I go hiking and stuff. I like it because you can field clean it and a lot of stuff like that. What I like the most about it is that this comes out and I can store extra flints inside here. It's also pretty cheap. And right here, this costs about $1. It's a big bottle of lighter fluid. That lasts a while. These right here, got this at Walmart for like 53 cents, 6 flints. This right here was about $1, and I like this because I can put it on my belt so I don't lose it. And it also has a screen thing right there, so it's windproof. And yeah.